PrecisionTemp RV-550. If you're shopping for the best RV tankless water heater for output, look no further than PrecisionTemp. The RV-550 tankless water heater for RV is designed to enhance your hot water experience and save you money. Whether you have an RV, trailer, tiny house, cabin, even a mobile washing service, the Marey brand of tankless water heaters take up half the space and weigh a third less, but produce as much as a 10-gallon hot water tank. Ready for an RV experience and delivery of a steady stream of continuous hot water on demand? The PrecisionTemp RV-550 doesn't require a continual pilot light and operates with high propane efficiency. Built-in wall vents offer continuous airflow to keep the unit from overheating. Translation: the RV-550 delivers hot water to your RV at higher, more stable temperatures, which directly passes economically more affordable energy savings onto you. PrecisionTemp's proven VariFlame technology provides a reliable flow of hot water from the unit to deliver points in the RV only when a tap or shower is turned on. The RV-550 uses innovative automatic gas modulation to self-adjust the gas usage depending on the water flow, desired water temperature, and the RV-550 can withstand 4-season temperatures. No overheating when temperatures spike, and no worries of underheating in sub-zero climates. You can even switch to a cold weather freeze protection to reduce power amp usage. The PrecisionTemp RV-550 tankless water heater for RV senses colder temperatures and adjusts accordingly, with a guaranteed 1 GPM on demand. Warranty: with the receipt of purchase and product registration, the PrecisionTemp offers a generous 2-year limited warranty against leakage, corrosion, and defects. No labor costs or fuel adjustments are covered under PrecisionTemp's current warranty. Pros: uses 50% less propane. RV owners rave about this tankless unit as a best decision purchase. Innovative VariFlame automatic gas modulation system. Cons: cold to hot on-demand delivery can take up to 7.5 minutes. Overheats water to dangerous temperatures, 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Unit doesn't weather modulate.